Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to solve one of the interesting questions of production planning and control, that is uh, demand for next 10 weeks. Okay, here is the question. This question already comes in December 2017 examinations, and this is your lecture number 39. Okay, so without wasting any further time, let's get started. First, in question, given that a bakery shop sells bakery items, first data of demand per week in 100 kilograms with frequencies given below. Here, weekly demand given 0, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. Frequency given 1, 12, 19, 8, 6, 4. Using the following sequence of random numbers, generate the demand for next 10 weeks. Also find out the average demand per week. Okay, so here random number also given 12, 27, 18, 58, 43, 75, 31, 62, 47, 35, 53, 42, 68, 71. Okay, so we need to calculate the next demand for next 10 week. So to find out the demand for next 10 weeks, we need to calculate the range table. Calculate the range table for random number demand. Okay, so without any further delay, let's start it. So here random number range table for डिमांड. ओके, अगर रेंज मिल जाएगा तो नेक्स्ट 10 वीक का एक्चुअली डिमांड कितना होगा मिल जाएगा, राइट. सो फर्स्ट डिमांड ऑलरेडी गिवन इन क्वेश्चन. डिमांड गिवन, डिमांड, then frequency given, you can write frequency, right. Then we need to calculate probability. So first mention all demand which are given in question: 0, 6, 12, 18, 24 and 30, right. Then frequency also given: 1, 12, 19, 8, 6, 4, right. Now we have to calculate sigma f, that is total of frequency. ये आ जाएगा आपका 1, 12, 13, 6, 4. 50. Okay, now probability. How to calculate probability? Probability is frequency divided by total frequency. So 1 divided by 50, 12 divided by 50, 19 divided by 50, 8 divided by 50, 6 divided by 50 and 4 divided by 40. So here probability 1 divided by 50 is equal to 0.02, then similarly 12 by 50, 12 divided by 0.24, 0.24, right. Then 19 by 50, 19 by 50 is equal to 0.38, right. Then 8 by 50, 8 by 50 0.16. Then 6 by 50 is equal to 0.12. Then 4 by 50 is equal to 0.08. इसका टोटल आ जाएगा 0.02 प्लस 0.24 प्लस 0.38 प्लस 0.16 0.12 प्लस 0.08 इज इक्वल टू 1. इसका टोटल आ गया 1. राइट. नाउ वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट क्यूमुलेटिव प्रोबेबिलिटी. क्यूमुलेटिव अगर कैलकुलेट हो जाएगा तो रेंज मिल जाएगा. देन हाउ टू कैलकुलेट क्यूमुलेटिव प्रोबेबिलिटी. हियर 0.02, then 0.24 plus 0.2 0.26, then 0.26 plus 30 0.26 plus 24 is equal to 0.64, right. Then 0.64 plus 16 0.80, then 0.80 plus 12 0.92, then 0.92 plus 0.8 is equal to 1. ये आ गया आपका क्यूमुलेटिव प्रोबेबिलिटी. देन वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द रेंज. रेंज कैसे निकलेगा? हाउ टू फाइंड आउट रेंज? हियर रेंज विल बी just a minute. जीरो पॉइंट टू मीन्स यह आ जाएगा आपका 0 to 1 रेंज. देन 2 to 25, देन 26 to 63, then 64 to 79, then 80 to 91, then 92 to 99. ये आ गया आपका रेंज टेबल. आ गया रेंज टेबल. नाउ वी कैन इजीली फाइंड आउट द वैल्यूज फॉर नेक्स्ट 10 weeks. We can easily find out the values for next 10 weeks. Okay. Demand already given, frequency given. Now we find out the range table. Now we can easily find out the demand for next 10 weeks. So here weeks given for next 10 weeks. Similarly, you can write weeks then random numbers, then demand. Right. Week given for next 10 weeks, week given in questions for next 10 weeks, so we can calculate accordingly. Week 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then random number also given in question. Up to 10 we have to taken. Up to 10 weeks we have to given, means 12, then 27, then 18, then 58, then 43, then 75, then 31, then 62, then 47, then 35. Okay, now we can calculate demand. Demand, how to calculate? See, here random numbers given 12. So now we have to check 12 is coming under this range 2 to 25, means demand will be 6. 2 to 25 means demand will be 6, right? So here 12, random number 12, demand will be 6. Then next 27. 27 is falling under range 26 to 63. 26 to 63. 26 to 63 means इसका डिमांड होगा 12, राइट? सो इसका डिमांड होगा 12. देन 18 कमिंग्स अंडर, again 18 coming under this range 2 to 25 means 6. Again this will be 6. Then 58 comings under a range of 58 means 26 to 63 means demand will be 12. Demand will be 12. Okay, then 43 coming under range 43, 26 to 63 means 12, right? So again it will be 12. Then 75, random number 75 coming under range 64 to 79. 64 to 79 means demand will be 18. Demand will be 18. Then 31 range coming under under range 26 to 63 means 12. Then 62 coming under demand 26 to 63 means 12. This one also 12. Again 47 coming under 26 to 63 means 12 also. Okay, then 35 coming under range 26 to 63 means 12 demand. This one also 12, right? So ये आ गया आपका डिमांड. नाउ वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट टोटल डिमांड. टोटल डिमांड कितना हुआ फॉर नेक्स्ट 10 वीक्स? 6 plus 12 plus 6 plus 12 plus 12 plus 18 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 is equal to 114. Now we can easily calculate the average weekly demand as per question. Average weekly demand will be average weekly demand will be how much? 114 divided by 10 means total demand divided by end of weeks. Okay, so in this way it will be 11.4. Okay, very easy. So how to calculate? You just need to remember that given in question that demand week frequency given using the following sequence of random number, generate the demand for the next 10 weeks. Also find out the average demand per week. So here random number given. In that case also, first you need to find out the range. So for range you need to calculate this probability and cumulative probability. बच्चे लोग बहुत बार क्या करते हैं, ये इसमें रेंज निकाल देते हैं, जो कि पूरा क्वेश्चन भूल हो जाएगा. सो प्रोबेबिलिटी, देन क्यूमुलेटिव प्रोबेबिलिटी, then you can find out the range. After that, once successfully find out the range, you can easily calculate the demand for next 10 weeks. Okay, so here next 10 weeks given, random numbers also given in question, and demand find out through the random numbers, right? Means 12 numbers is falling under range 2 to 25, 27 falling under 26 to 63, 18 falling under 2 to 25, similarly 58 falling under 26 to 63, 43 coming under 26 to 63, 75 coming under 64 range to 79 range, then 31 coming under range 26 to 63, also 62 also 26 to 63 range, 47 also 26 to 63 range, and 35 also 26 to 63 range. Okay, very easy and very interesting. Also you will obtain 8 marks if you solve this question. 8 marks question, very easy and very interesting. Also you just need to put the demand, frequency, and find out probability, then find out cumulative probability, then range. Probability, how to find the probability? Probability is equal to frequency divided by total frequency, right? Then cumulative will be multiplication, addition. 0.2 plus 24 plus 0.2, 26, then 26 plus 38, 64, then 64 plus 16, 80, 80 plus 12, 92, 92 plus 0.8 is equal to 1. Okay, so this is it, all about calculation of demand for next 10 weeks. So thank you so much for your time, and thank you so much for your support. Happy studying.